couple G's in expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.
I love when the good news coming in on a day-to-day. Already know what's happening, I don't gotta shake the hay. Big moves, big stepper in the right direction. The trip continues, every W's a psychedelic. Journey over accolades, divvy up the accolades and tell them boys to have a day.
What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Ja Traverse, and I'm back with another video. So today we are doing Thai cooking lessons. So Lucky is gonna teach her friend how to cook Thai food. She's from Colombia, so it's gonna be an interesting experience. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, and we're gonna see what the rest of the day holds. So stay tuned.
And then
So she's gonna show her what to pick to cook this food with. So we're at the market right now. They have all types of markets around here where you can come grab you some food, some vegetables, and all that type of stuff.
over here. And we need this one, Mama. Okay.
What's that?
That's so good. Yeah, this one. And need oh, I can hear that. That is spicy, no? No, that is not spicy.
It's like peas.
Oh, wait, I eat one time, that shit was,
Penang?
oh my god. No, little bowl.
Oh, one of those? Oh, yeah. Yeah, sometimes sometimes they do be spicy. And they got the views up here, man. They got the beautiful views up here. It's my first time being at my boy Armani spot. He not even here. He doing a border run in the Philippines, but we at his house cooking today. But look at this view right here. Look at the balcony. Balcony is crazy. Nice little crib right here, man. Nice little crib.
No, sign nothing. No. So this is everything. Yeah. Ah, okay.
She like, ain't no seasoning going on here.
I want this. Okay? Yeah. And then clean that foot.
And I never actually watched you do this. I just eat after.
You only eat.
Huh?
You only eat.
I know. I never watched you do it before, though.
No?
No.
I mean, you guys never watch us cook at all.
Yeah.
That's a very particular.
I always just eat it. Those things. What's this right here?
Like, what is it called? It's like ginger.
Like ginger? That's what that is?
It smells like ginger.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
It
Oh, it's amazing.
it got like a little spiciness to it though when you
Ginger
eat.
is spicy, see. This is my favorite. You know?
That's your favorite right there?
For the tom jam?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, have you ever had Penang chicken? This right here that you making?
I've been like tasting the
Uh-huh.
things from here. Like
Yeah.
plants and stuff, but it's like all this is new.
New,
You know,
okay.
In Colombia, we don't use all
Right.
things.
Right.
But I've been trying.
But you never tasted this dish right here before. Oh, okay. It's good. You're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like
I
it.
don't know. Oh, like so far, all the food here is amazing. So I don't know.
You gotta teach next episode. Gotta be you teach her how to make something from Colombia. Here, do they have stuff that you could make?
See,
Yeah. Okay.
so far here,
Okay.
I can teach you who make empanadas.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You know what I kind of miss? Those arepas.
That's a spicy.
Those arepas, chicken arepa. Ooh. Miss that
We
thing.
don't cook it spicy.
Oh, you mean Colombia?
Chicken. I miss the chicken arepa. Now, if I had to compare Thai food, yeah, if I had to I like Thai food probably more than I like food in Colombia.
I like
But
Thai food more than Colombia food.
yeah,
But it, like I said,
But-
you look, I don't even know what it is.
yeah,
They
I
have
think
to clean first.
I want to say those are like peas, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, those chicken arepas though, they are, you know,
But
the Venezuela ones too.
that like Venezuelan girls do it different than Colombia.
Yeah,
But it's simple.
yeah.
It's simple stuff.
Yeah.
See, look. This,
Well, even this, like, she cooked pretty fast, so like this stuff gets done pretty quick. So
It's easy for me now.
okay.
You cook a lot. It's like, yeah, super fast.
Yeah, she be making it shake. So what's this, peas or got the peas separating? Got the chili in there. Oh, you gonna use some chili, huh?
No, actually, it's just for make food looking nice,
Okay,
but
okay,
not so spicy.
I don't
okay.
like this. Like, eat it.
You
Yeah.
cut chili, put inside the soup or something. You cut like this, it's not spicy. But if you make chili like papaya salad, that's spicy. Yeah, like this gonna be.
I like
Ah, okay.
I
Oh, you
like
like that type of chili powder.
The dish is strong.
Oh, okay.
Strong.
Strong chili.
But amazing.
So you like extra spicy food? Well, you
I put
Colombian.
the eggs and
Yeah.
all the. I like it, but not like this.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Like
that
this
thing
kill
right.
you.
Yeah, that straight pepper,
One time I ate some noodles, like little bit.
and they had that in
Like,
there.
kill me. Like the noodle was amazing, but after I eat that, or the little balls, they were spicy.
Uh-huh.
That killed me.
Dang.
Mhm.
Waiting.
Okay.
Wait. And now,
Okay, now what?
before we have to put this coconut first.
Where here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put this
I like
milk. Huh?
with coconut oil, but the seafood.
Coconut oil?
With coconut oil for like make seafood.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Are y'all still doing y'all vlogs and stuff?
We have a lot of videos, and I've been like editing and stuff, but we focus on like a new project that he
Yeah.
wanna do.
Oh, yeah.
And I've been like all my time putting on that.
Doing on that? Man, I'm going to definitely still leave a link for y'all to go check their videos out. They make some funny videos, so definitely go check them out. Now, what you got going on over here? This is coconut milk, coconut.
Yeah, coconut milk first,
Okay.
and then you put just half. And
Put half in there.
this you can put all, or you can like.
So half of this and all of that.
Have to wait.
Okay. It's hot. It's hot now. You gotta
No, have to wait.
wait for it. Okay. Wait for it to boil.
That's not too big for me. Okay. I put all. It's not gonna be spicy. Add Canada without ganchao. Okay.
Sous chef.
Sushi. Okay.
Wait. And then we wait first. Then we're gonna put some sauce. What size is that? Like fish sauce. This sauce
Fish
is
sauce?
popular. They like to put this with chili.
Okay.
Like when you eat fried rice, you're gonna see the little sauce. This sauce.
Okay. I use that for fried rice.
For fried rice.
Yeah.
If you make this,
It's good, though. You put
have
that
to be
in.
salt and sweet.
A little bit.
You know.
Yeah. Well, you gotta put it in. It's a mixture. You gotta mix it.
Good.
I've been tasting all that thing.
Oh, you been tasting everything?
I'm telling you, I've been
Oh,
tasting
okay.
all this.
Oh yeah, you did
all
say
the
you like the
things.
Thai food, so you.
So I've been like learning a little bit about myself.
What's that sugar right there?
This sugar.
Okay. You cut the rubber band off.
Okay, sugar. You can put more because panang have to be sweet. Little bit, not little bit sweet. See the coconut? pork with anything.
Yeah, you can do it with
You can do
any.
with steam,
Shrimp.
pork.
Yep.
Yeah.
Beef. Yeah. Okay.
I need to try first. And you see.
Well,
Now I see the difference.
yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
But it is spicy already.
But you gotta throw that in there.
It's spicy already. We don't put no spicy at all.
Yeah. This is for like. If this is not hot, like make food look good. You're gonna put this up when you put on the plate.
Just for decoration.
Yeah. You
You
hungry?
good? No, I'm good. I'm good. You can turn off, yeah.
Tan rápido.
Yeah, you see, that was quick.
Super quick.
It's easy. The one not easy is it fits. Fit not easy for me.
The fish. Yeah,
They, I'm telling you, they play with all of that. It's
Yeah.
different ways.
Yeah, that's why
Just
I
give me headache.
like,
Yeah.
What else can I do?
The fish. Okay. So we have the final product.
Penang.
The Penang chicken. Yep.
I know the chef, but I don't know that.
Yep.
What's wrong with me?
What do you think? Good? Yeah. You throw some rice, get some rice and throw it on the rice. Oh, good job.
Next time I teach you.
Yeah, next time we're gonna do Colombian dish.
And we will make empanadas
Oh yeah, okay.
if I found the thing, but I think
Okay.
I will.
Well, shout out to Lucky for the cooking lessons, man. We are in Central Festival Mall about to go see Indiana Jones in 4D. So they have a 4D theater upstairs in Central Festival. I've never used it before, but this is gonna be our first time, and I guess it's a pretty good time to do it since it's an adventure movie. So let's get it. All right, we the only ones here. B, C. So it has been a while since we had a pool party out here. So today, Flex Club is hosting a pool party, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dope. We're gonna go over there, see how it is, check it out. Let's head over there and see how this pool party is.
She call me baby. If one touch out of luck, she look amazing. I've been playing games with you, oh yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh. Finish cash, shorty bad. I've been too numb to understand what I'm doing in the man I becoming, yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh. Fucked up my chance to call you my baby. Now I see you on the gram and I'm going crazy. Talking back and forth, full year on the daily.
Alrighty.
Back and forth, full year on the daily. Glowing up every month, girl, you amaze me. When if I somebody who you know wouldn't play you, I don't even trust myself, no, I cannot blame. I was going through some things, girl, I couldn't date. Yeah, the situation changed, and I promise I've changed.
Bro, do you see this? The foam is coming out of the pool. What is that?
Brother Malcolm,
Yes, sir.
We've seen the work that you've been doing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 200,000 subscribers.
200,000.
200K. Everybody give him a round of applause for 200K.
Let's go.
More time you gotta. I ain't hold on to anything dragging me down. Wake up in the AM, say a prayer, then I leave out. Make sure when it come to us, the comments they don't leave out. Yeah, I got my dogs in the back, better keep out. Oh damn, yeah we special. Start to the finish and we reaching at the threshold. Run it while you young, one day you gotta get old. If it ain't good for you, more time you gotta let go. And you let it go to your head. Why you do that, I would never know. First that boy was high, yeah, now the kettle froze. And the real doggies with me, man, the kennel closed. Up the soul, we gon' settle those. I don't rock with a dog.
Number 3. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's gonna get wild in this mother.
Overseas, couple G's and expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.